Today, I will share with you a simple recipe for weight loss. It is good for those who want to lose weight rapidly. We will need a lemon, cut into slices. Please subscribe to my channel. Transfer into a bowl. Lemon speeds up metabolism and help you burn calories. 5 grams ginger piece. Peel it and cut into pieces. Ginger enhance calorie burn and reduce feeling hunger. Take a pan and add lemon and ginger pieces. One stick of cinnamon. Pour 700 milliliters of water. One tablespoon cumin seeds. Cumin seeds help you burn extra calories, increase your metabolism. Mix it well and put on fire. Bring it to boil. Cover and cook another 5 minutes on low flame. Strain and let it cool. You can store the drink in the refrigerator. Drink 2 to 3 times in a day. 1 teaspoon honey optional. Thanks for watching.